Alright, now we're going to take a look at another Everstar. I already showed one of these before that was missing the knobs. Anyway, I got this at the house yesterday where I got a whole bunch of air conditioners. This one has the knobs on it. And I have seen one of these on for sale on Facebook that was missing the knobs as well. So the knobs, and this one is cracked and somebody's put duct tape over it. So the knobs on these, you can see it's kind of a unusual recessed design, which is why I can't find anything that fits this. These not the best designed knobs. You gotta, there's a little whatever you call it in there, there's a little thing inside the sleeve that fits, goes through the slot right there, and there's no metal, there's no metal sleeve inside of this. I don't think it came with one. There's there's nothing stuck on the knob there. So I think these are just very prone to breaking. I can try to put some epoxy on this one. I don't know, I can take the tape off, try to put some epoxy on it, then put some more tape over it. Yeah, these are just very prone to breaking. And you can't buy new ones anywhere that fit. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a Fetters. Anyway, this one runs quite a bit better than the other one that I have. Let's see. It's low cool. This one actually runs pretty nice. This one's in a little bit better shape than the other one I had. It's pretty cold already. It gets cold pretty quick. It's fairly quiet. It has an LG compressor. Yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to see, but it has an LG compressor. Which it runs pretty nice. It's fairly quiet. The other one I had, as I recall, was kind of noisy. The compressor was very noisy. Yeah, this one actually runs very quiet. Surprised. Yeah, this one actually runs quite nicely. It's a little surprised. Yeah, it's quite cold, the air coming out. This works quite nicely. Yeah, it runs very quiet. I'm very surprised, for a Fetters of this time period. They're usually very noisy. This one actually runs quite nicely. very nicely. Here's low, high. Yeah, I gotta say this runs quite nicely. It's quiet. It's not a window shaker like the like the usual fetters. There's no label on the motor. Yeah, I gotta say it runs pretty good for fetters of this time period. Runs much nicer than the other one I had. Okay, so there you go. I'll probably just gonna have to reinforce this knob better or something. Not sure what I could do with that. Once you break the knobs on these, you're pretty much screwed. You can't. Kind of tough to find something else that fits it. All right. See you next time.